we need to complete next activities like saved views and UX pages we need to show here. So in our workspace we need to create. So I will share my screen. You can see here this DCA we have completed. Last one thing we need to complete here. So we can see here uh, in DCA we have completed one small activity we have pending in this DCA. So you can see here. So we need to we need to check here. So we need to get these functionalities. To get this functionality, what are the things we have to do? We can see here uh, in inventory ordering module. So you can see here where is our submit purchase order request. So you can see submit purchase order request, you can see here. um, then override suggested order amount, you can see here override suggested order amount and override amount, these things you can see. So if I want to get same things, you can see we need to do, these are the things we need to do here. Once I will remove all these things according to their requirement, how we can get this functionality. So you can see whatever the thing if you want to do without DCA, after applying the DCA we can't do. So that is the reason. So I am doing this one. So you can see here what they are expecting according to their requirement. First you can see, so this is a submit purchase order request. You can see this box should not be checked and these three boxes we should check. So according to their requirement we do same thing. So first we don't want to check and three cells we have to check. And next one you can see override, this is for the submit purchase order request, and second one is the override suggested order amount. To get this functionality you can see we should apply read and write access driver for the these two line items. So you can see whenever already this functionality we know when should the override amount should be editable. Our concept, whenever submit purchase order request and override suggested order amount are true, then we can editable. Is it correct or wrong? Yes, same thing we should do here. So whenever submit purchase order request, this one also we should not do anything, don't select. You can see when this and this one is the editable, this one and this one is select, it should be editable here. You can see this blue color text means we didn't apply so far our DCA, that is the reason it is looking editable. But whenever these two are select, then only it should be true. And what is the condition for the override shipping method? Override method, when should be override method should be editable? Yes, you can see here. We should not check anything. We should check here only. If you submit purchase order request, override method is true, then it should be override method will be editable. Until and unless this submit purchase order request and override shipping method is not true, you can't do anything. You can see here. You can't do anything here. You can't do anything here. Is it clear? So these are the things we need to achieve. So you can see here we need to remove this one. We need to remove this one. So then now you can apply read and write access drivers for all these line items to get these functionalities. So, submit purchase order, for submit purchase order request, you can see apply this one, and then override method also we need to apply. So override amount, you can copy simply this one here for this line item as well, and then you can see override shipping method. Override shipping method, and so we didn't remove this one. The thing is like, you can see same, you will get same functionality what they are expecting. So what they are expecting, you can see this functionality they are expecting. You can see here. So whenever you can see this first week they don't want to see here. This first week detail they don't want to see here. You can see override suggested order amount, override amount. They don't want to see anything. So other than that one, they want to see these things. So they want to see override in override shipping method. They want to see these boxes. You can see here override suggested order amount also they want to see this box. So you can see here. So then, but we are not getting override this box. We are not getting. To get this functionality, what should we do? Simply you can once remove and you need to check it. You need to whenever if you apply any DCA, you can't do anything. So before if you want to do anything, what should we do? Simply, yes, if I want to do any edit, what should I do, Sudhir? In DCA, we should remove DCA and
Cannot check.
we need to remove DCA. Then you can see the changes. So simply, otherwise we can't do anything. So we have to remove these things, DCA. Then only we can do if you want any functionality. If you want to apply, until and unless if you don't remove DCA, you can't do anything. So that is a major thing we should concern here. So if I remove these two things, you can see, yes, you can get this one. So you can see here, if I want to get this functionality, you can see here. So majorly the thing is like in submit purchase order request also we should get one checkbox here. Here we need to get one checkbox. So then simply remove this submit purchase order request access driver. You can see here. Yes. Are you getting same functionality? Whatever they are expecting? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in this way
Only
we,
after removing it, we are getting it here.
yes. So for the different line item, I am removing this one. You can see, like, but we need to apply once again. So on the base of, like, you can see which one we should apply. You can see for different. I have applied for the top one override suggested order amount. Uh, Override suggested order amount I have applied earlier. You can see. So I have applied override amount. For override amount, I have given these two read and write access drivers. So you can see, and then what is our main condition? You can see here. What is our main condition? Whenever if I want to this two are true, I can edit. Is it correct or not? I can do edit anything. If it is not true, can I do edit here? Here can I edit?
No.
Here, here if I select here, then only I can edit here. You can see in this way. So what is our condition for we have for this one override method? Over when can I do override? Yes. When can I do override? When should we do override? What are the two conditions we have given for the override?
Submit purchase order request and override suggested order amount.
Not override method. Why you take this suggested order amount? You take this one override method.
Override okay, shipping method.
Yes. So then you can see here this and this are editable. Then you can see here you can edit here. If here it is we don't have anything, can you do edit? We can't edit other cells. So in this way we need to understand what are the things we are doing. So the conditions what we are trying to give, that we need to understand what are the conditions. According to our conditions, we should check how it is happening, why it is happening. So in this way we should apply the DCA, what conditions we are giving in access driver. So that majorly work here. On the base of that access drivers only it works. So otherwise it doesn't works. So in this way you can see, whenever if you select here submit purchase order request and this one override shipping method, it will be editable here. So this is the like how we will apply the DCA. So majorly, so everyone try to complete these activities as soon as possible. So it will be helpful for you. So how things are working. So in each and every interview they will ask this DCA, regarding DCA how we can control and everything. I hope everyone is clear this one. So we have like next activities. We need to create some saved views here regarding the same. You adding after adding DCA, we have like saved views. We need to create some saved views here. So what are the saved views we need to create, and how we need to publish this saved views to UX pages, we can see here. So and one more thing, most of the most of you not joining evening time. What is the problem? Yes, Inayatullah and Suresh, Faiz, from last 2 3 days you are not joining. What is the problem, Faiz? Evening class also you can attend. We have like plants and disco we are going to discuss today, and use case user story, and what is the time version, how we should set time. So we are discussing their level 1 topics, important topics.
Sure, sir. Will join. I'll join.
So the thing is, you didn't attend proper classes, so that will be helpful for you, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Will join Ashwin.
Okay, fine. You can see here. Okay, fine. Then we are doing these activities like saved view we need to create here. So 3.1 save 3.3, you can see here we need to create some new line items in the system modules. Open system 00 time setting month module and add a line item. So in system 00 line item module, so we need to create the new line item planning period filter. The system 00 module. So you can see here we have to create new module here, planning period filter. So mostly in system module will take a boolean formatted line item. So you can see basically like for filter purpose we use most of the system modules, and even time related modules will take what is the like forecast period. This type of most of the line item will take boolean formatted. So you can see planning period filter line item we have taken here, and boolean formatted line item, and end user select to include in planning period for the product replenishment. Whenever they want to plan, they will select. So for this line item, and open system 0 time setting month module add a line item. So whenever they want to, they will select there. And you can see here open system 0 one time setting by week module and add two line items. So we need to add two line items here in system 01 module planning period filter, and planning period filter weeks only. So these two line items we need to create in system 01 module. System 01 module we need to create two line items.
Asif bhai, are you recording this, Asif bhai?
Yes, yes, I am recording phase.
Please share yesterday's and today's one, Asif bhai.
Okay, I will share phase. Are you watching phase or just asking?
Oh, Asif bhai, yesterday also I was there in YouTube for around 1.5 to 2 hours.
Okay,
You can track the thing.
okay, fine. So we can see here. Are you getting calls phase after applying different posts?
Yesterday I got a call, Asif bhai.
Okay,
They said they will be scheduling interview next week.
okay, fine. From which company you got call?
Uh, just a minute, Asif bhai. From L&T, Asif bhai.
Okay, okay, fine. So like planning period filter I have created here. So then we can see here we have created these line items. End user will select the include the planning periods for the product replacement UX. The line item will be used to filter the data for inventory ordering module grid view on the user experience page to show data for the weeks from the month selected system 00 time setting by the month module planning period filter line item. The data include both the weeks monthly summary. The line item will be used to filter the data in the combination chart. So anyway, you can see these are the three line items we are creating. Give me 1 minute. So what is the noise we are getting here from Arshana? Can you unmute? Yes.
Yeah, unmuted, yes.
So fine. You can see here. The thing is like we have two things here in system 0 modules. You can see. So this is a planning period line item we have selected here. So whatever the things we want to select, we can select here. Manually we need to select. So if I want to write all true, what should I do? At instant, I have given one trick for this one. What should I do? Yes, all true, or if I want to do all true instead of doing
Yeah,
this manually, so what should I do?
we can change the format into all. So,
How, why you do that one? Why you should write formula true already. Just
true.
few days ago only I have explained this one. And you should remove this formula simply. It will get all true. So if I want to all I don't want to deselect all these things, then what should I do?
False.
Simply yes, false we should write if I don't want to all these things. So this is also one logic. So you can see false if you write, everything will get removed. So that is the reason. So you can see here, write true and remove this true. Then what happened? Easily you can find all get selected. All months will get selected here. Yes, fine. So this is for selection purpose, whatever the months, and we have this system 0
Ashibai, we
time.
can,
Yes,
Ashibai, without formula, we can use the copy across also, right, Ashibai?
copy across for generally we do number format, that one files we'll check. We don't use this one. So if I, you can see here, I removed this one. I will try to copy across down. So this is a fine, but the thing is like this is also we have some limits for these functionalities files. So if you have more than 10,000 like that, some functionalities will not work. Copy across or copy down will not work if you have more than 10,000 like that. So in that scenario, if you write these things, it will be helpful for you. Okay. So that is the reason we should use that functionalities as well sometimes.
And also, by giving the formula, it can't be editable by the end user, right, Ashibai? That is also one advantage, if I am not wrong.
If you write formula, if somebody don't want to change, in that scenario we should write exactly formula. If don't want to edit, even for if I want to uh, remove at least that thing, like if we don't want to here we don't want to any formula, just I want to select here. You can see here, if you write formula, if you remove, it will be editable. That is the thing.
Yes.
So you can see here I have written this formula, and next you can see I have created planning period filter. Planning period filter. So I want this planning periods from system 0 month to weeks. So then what should I do? Which formula should I use here? I want planning period line item, whatever the selected. So all those details I need from system 00 time setting by month to system 0 time setting by week. So if I want to pull any details from month to weeks, what function should I use? Months to weeks. We have used in sprint 2 this formula. System 0, like we have demand forecast by months to weeks. How we have converted from months to weeks? Anyone is, do you
Month
remember?
value.
Yes, month value we should take. So month value, if you take, what happened? Month value of just source line item you should give. Month value of planning period. Then what happened? Easily whatever the months we have selected there, for that one you can get all values in the weeks here. Each and every week will get select in this way. So if I remove here everything, so you will get remove all those things. Yes, you will get remove all the weeks. If I select 1 week here, so the thing is we are pulling the data. I have selected only 1 month. I can see the week values also, month value of this period, this line item. What is the month value there? For January I have selected. So that is the reason January weeks only it will get select here. So if I select February, I can see the remaining more like February weeks will also get select. So in this way it happens. Is it clear how the things are happening here?
Like
Yes.
first, if you select one week one, then it will be selected for all 4 weeks.
Not 1 week. If you select 1 month, you will get select one
All
like four
four
weeks.
weeks.
Four
Okay,
weeks.
okay.
Under the January, whatever the weeks you will get, it will get select. So in this way, this function will work. I have here weeks only. So weeks only means, what is mean by weeks only? It doesn't include the month here. So anyway, we didn't take anything here, summary method. So that is the reason we can see here. We can't see anything here. So like if I take any, so we'll get like month also will get select here. You can see. So here if I want, why I am using for planning period filter weeks only. So what is the purpose of weeks only? Why should we take weeks only? Means simply we don't want to include any month. So that is the reason they want to take weeks only here. So if you select here planning period filter, simply what happened, you can see weeks only. You can see we can't see we didn't turn on our summary method for this one, weeks only. Sometime what happened, they don't want to include months here. Sometime they want to include weeks only. So sometime they want to filter only months only. So like this, so many options will get. So in that scenario, on the base of requirement, what will you do? We'll filter, we use this filter line items. So that is the purpose we are creating all these different line items, and we are using. So this is the way we do it. So we can see here, and we have completed this two line items we have created. Even next, create the formula for the new line item system 01 using the month value function, so that when end user select the month, the weeks that are associated with the months are get selected. Yes. So whenever we select in month in system 00 month module, if you select the month, that will reflect in the system 01 module. Do not include half year or full year or summaries unless all months that are included in those periods are selected. For example, don't show half year financial year 20 unless all the months included H1 if financial year 2020. So we don't want to include this summaries. You can see like this we have after each and every half year. Even we don't include it here. You can see half year we have selected here. So we turn it on summary method. We don't need to turn it on summary method here. So that will be helpful for you us. So we don't need to turn on summary methods. So we don't need to include anything. Anyway, these are the things we have done. So after completing this, creating these formulas, so you can see here, create planning period saved view optional. You may following. So we will create these things in there directly. We will create in our UX pages, not a problem. So if we want to create, even we can create this one. So what is the thing? You may create the following saved view for an UX page. For you can create custom view directly on the UX pages that displays the same information as you build the page. The saved views will be used on the product. So we can create here one system module here. Saved view you can create. So in the system 00 time setting month module, create saved view. So what is the saved view we need to create in system 00 module? What saved view we need to create here? Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, planning period filter for UX.
Yes, we'll create here saved view. What happened in system 00 time setting module? If I want to create any saved view, what should I do? Simply go here and give this name. Then you can click save. Then you will get the saved view, planning period filter UX. So what are the line items we should show here? Show only planning period filter line item, filter to show months only. So you can see here, we should show only planning period filter. Is it correct? So we have another option here. If I click here, you can see here. So 1 minute, I will show this another functionality. So show or hide, you can see this is not showing here. We'll next time we'll use this one. You can see here, whenever we want to you can, whenever if you do this one, right click, you can see select items. Select item, nothing but you can select the different line items here. By selecting here, it is not getting selecting here. So we can see here, you can try whenever it is possible. What I am doing here, you can see show selection I am using. Show selection, nothing but, so only we are using selecting this one, this line item, and they want to apply one filter here. What is the filter name? Show months only. Why we are applying filter to this line item? What is the reason? Months only they want. They don't want this half year. Then what should, how should they get this functionality? Yes, how should they get this functionality?
We can add and set the criteria.
Months only filter they want.
Yes.
Wherever months only line item you create, so if I say, you can see now they can't see any half year detail. Are you able to see any half year details here by applying the filter?
No, only months.
Months. So in this way we should apply the filter. You can see here. So we have applied filter. This is the one saved view we have created. We have created one saved view. So you can see create saved view for the combinational chart. So we have to create another saved view. You may create the following saved view for the UX page. For you can create the custom view directly. So whatever we are creating, we have the two options. One thing, you can create the saved view in module side. You can use the UX page. Another option we have directly, you can prepare the custom view in UX pages by using a custom view. Also you can pivot and you can format the line item. You can what we say filter the line items. You can apply the conditional formatting. Everything we can apply. So what is the difference between this saved views and custom view? What is the major difference? Yes.
Custom views, we can able to customize data by hiding, selecting show levels, show select levels. All this we can customize. We can set that total positions. We can sort, filter. All this we can customize, and say we can save that view for later on. And saved view help us to export and import, and also it is helpful to relevant to the end users to show in the UX pages. And
Okay, but
also it,
the thing is, okay, but you difference I am asking. Major difference is like you are saying advantages. I am asking difference.
Saved view is already fixed the data, and in the custom view we can customize the data, and on the basis of requirement of the customer, we can edit data. But in the saved view it's already the saved view, and what is the data we required, and we have already saved the, we can't change anything in that. And in the custom view we can change.
The major difference between the saved views and custom view, what we prepare on UX pages means. So saved views we create in module itself, and this saved view will attach on UX pages. So that is a one thing. Custom view and UX pages we directly we prepare each and everything like custom view and UX pages directly there itself, and we can do whatever the thing we want on the base of requirement on UX pages. That is that major difference. And you saved view you can use the multiple times, but custom view if you prepare any custom view on UX pages, what happened, only one time you can use that one, you can't use next time. So that is a major difference. And in custom view you can do whatever the changes we need there on UX pages. Saved view, if you want to do anything you need to come back end and you need to do in modules. Saved view you can't do any changes there. If I am using any saved view in UX pages, I can't do anything edit on UX pages. I need to come back end and I need to do here. So back end nothing but modules, front end nothing but UX pages. These terms also we should be aware about this one. Back end and front end. We need to whatever the changes, if I want to do anything in UX pages, I can't do by using the saved views. I need to come modules and I need to do. Is it clear for everyone? What is the difference?
yes, yes, Asif.
Once send message as a rejoin.
Okay, okay, Asif.
Successfully reflected.
Yeah, okay.
So we need to create one saved view in inventory ordering module. So open inventory ordering module, chart UX. You can see here we need to create here one saved view.
Asif, what is this always use on front page and another option is default view?
Current page nothing but that you will get that become default view. This is the default view. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a default view. So this, if I come to here, I will get the saved view. That's it. So if I do that one, what happened? So it directly it goes to default view. Not you will not get here that one.
That's while you are saving, it is showing two things, right?
Yes.
That window, that I was asking.
So that only I am saying. If I done, I don't select that one current, always use as a default. If I do that one, it goes to directly here, like it will not get create any saved view in that scenario.
Acha, acha.
So we should use as a like different one. That is the reason I am getting here. So do you want as a default view that one, whatever you are doing? Otherwise you want to as a one saved view? That is the thing they are asking. So
Okay.
I don't want to create as a default view. Already I have default view. I want one saved view. Chart UX I have created here. If I
Okay.
create chart UX here, so in chart UX, including beginning inventory, ending inventory, forecast demand and safety stock target line item, we should select here. So 4 line items we should select here. So you can see this functionality I will show here. Select items to show. This option we have. Instead of if you have select like manually, that will be difficult. Another option you have beginning inventory, and you can select here. And what is the other line items we need to include? Ending inventory, forecast demand. Ending in forecast demand they want, and ending inventory they want. And what other line items?
Safety stock
Safety stock target line
target.
items. Safety stock target line item. You can see this one, 3 line item. If I select this one, if I right click, what happened? Easily I can get the these 4 line items in my saved view. So this is another way. Not by selecting the show only, you can do this one as well. So right click and you can select items. So pivot the module. So you can see the in pages we should there SKUs, and in rows we should have line items, and column we should have time. Same always we have this one, this view only. We have line items in rows and time in columns, and in pages we have P3 SKU. Filter the data using the planning period weeks only line item in the system 01 time setting weeks module. So weeks only module, we want weeks only here. We don't want to you can see here they are asking only line items to system 0 time setting by the week module. Why we are applying the system module here? Weeks only. We don't want this months here. So then I need to apply filter for the saved view. So what is the which filter I should apply? System, by using the system 001, they are explaining properly. System 001 weeks only, planning period weeks only. If I apply this one, so why I got selected only 4 weeks here? I have selected here only 4 weeks here. So if I write something, you can see here. Now you can see all the weeks. Why I can't see all the weeks now? Even though I am selecting, what should I do to get all the weeks? We need to do the refresh. You can see here. all the weeks you can see. Is it clear how this happening? Just we
Yes,
are
yes,
applying the
yes.
filter. We are applying the filter. So whatever the months we have select here, so these months will goes to this weeks module. So in this module, and from this module onward we are filtering nothing but just we want to only see the watch the weeks. We don't want to any months. That is the reason I am applying here weeks only filter. So if I come here, you can see system 001 time setting by the week, planning period weeks only. So whenever it is true, then only it will show that week. So in this way we can understand. And after changing this new line item by whatever the changes we have done, applying filter and show line items, after completing each and every change we should save the changes. Otherwise what happened, simply your module will goes to the default view. Is it correct or not? Yes. If you don't save changes, what happened generally?
It will go to the default view, sir.
Default view.
Yes. So that is the reason we should save the each and every time. So we have completed this one. So this saved view we have completed. Then you can create here UX page. So what is UX page? You can see here. So we need to create this UX page. Planning period filter you can select here, and this you can see here. And which card I should take for this first one? What you have understood by watching this one?
Grid card,
Grid cards we should take for these two grids. And what card I should take for this one? Third one,
line card,
line chart.
line, line chart.
Line card we should take. So by watching this one we can understand so which card we should take and how we should follow the instructions. So basically you can see create one new UX page here. So what should we do here? We need to first of all take like my apps, like my pages. We need to create one new page. So what is the page name? Product replenishment page. We should create the one new page. Here we can create. So like we should go to my pages. Create new page here. So board we should take here. So create new page, product replenishment, and then what is our you should select this one, talent builder, this one. What is our source name? Ali level 2 supply chain start. So this one we should take here, create the board. So then we should take the grid card. For grid card, so what are instructions they are giving? You can see here. Include product SKU and time context selector we will include. Fine. System 00 time setting by the month module we should select. Planning period filter for the UX saved view. Create custom view within the UX to show the same information. So system 00 time setting by month module. Planning period filter we should get. So for UX saved view, create custom view within the UX, show the same information. What should we do? Simply create, configure this one, go to data source. So what is our which module we should select? System 00 time setting. Here this one we should select. So which line item we need here? planning period filter only. You can see line items. So if you select this one, you will get the option which line item we want. Yes, planning period filter only we want. Is it correct? Apply this one.
Yes.
You will get planning period filter only. And what are the other things we need? You can see planning period filter for the UX, create custom view, instructional text for the end user to select the months they want to view, the click refresh button to update the page. So we need to give some instructions as well. You can see here whatever their instruction they are providing, we should give one text card we should give. Select the months you wish to view, then click refresh, apply the planning period. So this text button also we should give beside this planning period filter module. So simply you can see here. So we don't want to basically this half year also we don't want, we want only months. So then what should I do? If I don't want, I want to apply filter. So again same thing, come here and current module, select which module we should select. Months only I want. So in which module we have months only? In system 00, system same module we have, same module only we have. Current module, select the line item. Do you have months only filter or not here? Yes.
Yes.
So here we have month only filter. You can see apply. So you can't see now half year and other details. You can see only, you can see the months detail, you can see here. If I update this one, what happened? Simply I can see the this one planning period filter, I can see the here. So in this way, like title is, give title. So add filter to base, you can see create custom view. So this is a instructional text. So we have created first step, you can see saved view or create custom view within the UX to show the same information. So that we have completed instructional text for the end user to select the months they want to create. So we don't need to do anything, we need to create one instructional text here, we'll create. So planning title is planning period filter grid, planning period filter grid. So then what happened? Simply we can enter cell data should be turned on. So the basically you can see here. So what are the new changes we got in Anaplan means, you can see this one. So these changes we can't do earlier. So now nowadays you can do all these changes. So this is a column width and like different options we got here. This is a plain one. So you can add like column width and you can add some colors to the UX pages. This is a new functionality we got in UX pages. Try to, already you have no we in the document. So try to understand this one. Remember this one. So to looks effectively, we can create this type of. You can use the formats. So you can see here. So hierarchy filter, try to turn on this hierarchy filter. So whatever the months you will select here, you can see that one. So in this way you can publish this one. Yes. So on the base of requirement we'll select here. only 2 weeks they are selecting 2 weeks, you can see there. So they want to see few 2 weeks, you can see here. 2 months they want to select here. So if they want to watch these 2 months, you can see only you can view the 2 months data. So that is a major difference. So whatever the months you select here, you can watch the same pages. So beside this one, this grid view, we need to add one text card. So which card I should select for to give text, this text?
Text card.
Text card we should give simply. So instructional text, you can see. So use one text card here. Again go here and use one text card and give some instruction. Simply you can give some instruction, whatever. So what is our instruction means? So like select month, so whichever they want to, click on the refresh button to update. So this thing we should give here. So easily what happened, they can understand if you want to increase the size or decrease the size. So size is 16 is fine, and even if I want to make bold, I can make bold color as bold as well. So yes, we want to make bold here. So simply what should we do? We should select and we should make bold. It will get highlight. So in this way, like I want to keep, you can see text left or right or center. Try to keep center. So fine. So if then we can. So if I want to do like decrease the this size, only we have small, so not a problem. You can publish this one. So simply I can publish this one. So yes, so we can publish, select the months, we can update on the base of requirement, we can do this one. So this we have done two things, chart card, one text card and one grid card we have done here. Two things we have done. So next, what is the thing we need to do? Yes, the thing is, you can see we can't see here whole months. So is this best view? Sometime they will ask what is the best practices to create the say UX pages. Then what should we explain? You can see here. We should look all the details properly. It should not get, there is no need to scroll like this. So for that one, what should I do? We need to keep properly. So then only it will be looks effective. Otherwise, you can see how we can see here. So these are the things, still you are getting somewhat fine. So this is only few months we are getting like we can't see, not a problem. But majorly we should looks properly. It should look properly. So next, what is the next card we need to create for to get second functionality? Yes. What is the next thing? If I want to get this functionality, what should I do? Should I use which card should I use here? Sudhir, are you there? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Durga, are you there? Which card should I use here?
Grid card, sir.
Grid card we should use. So we can, by watching this chart, we should understand each and everything. What are the things we should create and which thing we need to do? We should understand. Create custom view for the inventory ordering module. Grid published to the UX page. So add filter based system 0 time setting week module, planning period filter line item. So you can see here we need to add one here custom saved view we need to create. So I want to reduce size here somewhat 11 or 12. Mostly we will use 11 or 12 basically. So that will be looks effectively. It is too much is decreasing. I will try to keep 12. Yes, anything like fine. So this is, so then I can see this one. Next, we can see here add another grid card here. Add grid card, and so which module we should take? Inventory ordering module we should take. So what are the line item we should show here? Add filter based system 0, this one. So you can see here. So first we need to check do not show safety stock exception count PO submitted and confirmed PO delivery. Are you able to see what are the line items we don't want? Select here safety stock exception PO submitted and confirm PO delivery line item. We should not use this one. So other than this one we should show all line items. Is it correct? So how can I do this one? Show line items. In custom view, go select this inventory ordering module, select this one. Thing is I am facing here like you can see. So what are the line items I should select here? Don't select. I should select first of all, do this one, select all. What are the line items I don't want? PO submitted and confirm PO delivery. And which line item I don't want? Safety stock exception count. Is it correct? Is these three line items I don't want? Do not show safety stock exception count, PO submitted and confirm PO delivery. Is it correct? Yes. Are you
sir.
there,
Yes.
everyone, or not?
Sir.
So we should not show these three line items. So you can see here, you should apply this one. Yes. So then, so what is the next functionality? What are the other functionalities we need to do here? You can check here. So product SKU and time contact selector should be on. So anyway, we'll turn on this one. System 00 time setting, we have done this one. Like you can see, add filter based system 0 time setting by week module planning period filter. Apply the filter system 01. Here apply the filter. So on the base of which module we should do? System 00 planning period filter. Planning period filter. So which line item we should take? Planning period filter or planning period weeks only? Planning period filter line item you should take. Add filter based on system 0 time setting week week by setting by week module planning period filter line item you can take here. So planning period filter weeks. So this is a, you should select this one. Apply here. Yes, so I have taken this one, I have applied filter as well. Then you can see here. So what is the next thing? Add conditional formatting to display the confirm purchase order receipt as a green anytime value is greater than 0. So we should take conditional formatting for the which line item? Confirm purchase receipt, we should apply the conditional formatting. You have here most of the advantages you have. You can see here conditional formatting option you have. So for which line item I should take confirmed PO? Which line item we should take the conditional formatting? Confirm purchase order receipt. So confirm purchase order receipt, select here line item, here line item, based on same line item we should not do anything. So you can see here minimum value should be 0, maximum optional 1, maximum we should give 1. What is the color we should give? Which color we should give?
Blue,
Yes.
white.
So we'll give green color whenever we have greater than 0. Green color we want whenever we have greater than 0. So if yes, so this is the thing. We have confirm purchase order receipt, and the thing is like you can see we should give the white here. If I have 0, I should give the white. So if I don't select white, I couldn't see here apply. After selecting white only, I could see here apply. You can see here. So wherever if you have confirm purchase order receipt greater than 0, you can see green color. You can see. So this is, in this way we can understand. We have applied this one conditional formatting, and add filter based, add conditional formatting completed. Add conditional formatting to display ending inventory is as a red when value is a less than safety stock target value. So we need to check this one. So add conditional formatting to display ending inventory. So the condition is yes. So you can see here add conditional formatting, add another rule. So come here once again. So we need to conditional formatting for the ending inventory. So what is our ending inventory rule? Based on the safety stock. So you can see which one? On the base of safety stock target values we should take here, and you can see here, and minimum, what is the minimum value? So what is the safety stock target? You have 955. So if you have 950, so which color we should get? 950. If you have 955, which color we should get?
Green
White
color.
color. If you have below the 955, then which color we should get? Safety stock target. If you have ending inventory below the 955, you should get the red color. Is it correct or not? So the minimum value is the, try to write 940 or 950 minimum value. So then you should get the white color. So be maximum, you don't have like limit 955. If you have 955, so which color we should get? Here 955, if you get above 955, you should get the white color here. If you have below 955, what is the color we should get? Red color you should get. You can see minimum is, you can write maximum 950. If you get 955, you should not get anything. And if you get below 955, so what is the value you should get?
954 we can write as well.
950, 54 also you can write. If you get 954 also, you should get the, but this much difference it will not accept files. You can write something like 945 or 9 something. Why means, so it doesn't accept it generally. So then I should take here like 960. and here 950. Generally we should give some gap. You can see here, if I take this one, you can see how it happens. So you can see wherever if you have ending inventory, so minimum value 950, if I have 960, you can see white color for ending inventory. So but this is a not correct functionality. The thing is, like, whenever if you get the less than safety stock target, so what is the meaning by less than safety stock target? Ending inventory, whenever if you get uh, below the 955, you should get the red, but you have get here maximum also, you are getting the red color. Then what is the problem here? Yes. So what is the problem, Faiz? Why I am getting, you can see ending inventory line item, so values I am using the safety stock target. Then the thing is, so minimum values 0 you use. If you get 0, not 0 here, so try to use here minimum value, enter the minimum value. So if I get minimum 954, so 950 if I give here, maximum value I should get 955. I should get white color here. So the thing is, but still, yes. So you can see here, you can see now. So if I can see whenever if I get ending inventory below the 0, below here, you are not getting applying here. So this is a not way. So what is our what we are expecting functionality? What is the functionality we are expecting? Yes. Yes, what functionality we are expecting? Can you explain, everyone?
If the safety stock goes below 955, it should
Yes.
be red.
Yes, exactly. So if you have above the 950, so which color we should get? Above 950, you should get
Green.
the
White, white.
white. If you have below 950,
Red.
Below 955, it should be red.
it should be red. Then how we should set the logic here? Minimum value, how we should set logic here? You are not getting anything. So minimum I will write 0 here. You can check here. Minimum, if I have 0, I will apply now. So on the base of not, you can see here, if I use same line item, you can check here. Yes, you can see here. So the thing is, they are asking to implement this one. So you can see here why you are not you not got so far. So what they are asking here? So add conditional formatting to ending inventory as a red when value is the less than safety stock target value. So they are asking safety stock target value, but we should not use safety stock target line item in here. So that is the reason I have given here 0 and 955 value I am directly giving. So but on the base of same line item values we should give. So that is the reason I have written here 0 and 955 I have given on the base of this safety stock target value. So if I get 955 and above, I will get the white color. You can see. If I get below 955, what happened? Simply I should get the red color here. Are you able to see? So this what is mean by red color here? What is mean by red color, Arshad Ahmed? What indicates red color and what indicates green color generally?
It's like zero indicates red color, and maximum it is like 955 and above. It shows in white color.
Okay, fine. Generally, red
Hmm.
color, not regarding Anaplan. What indicates red color?
Negativity,
Generally negative.
negativity, and
Negativity or like some
danger.
danger. You can say. What indicates green color?
It's a positivity and
Yes. So that is the reason. Whenever if you are going out of stock, is it danger or is it good sign for you?
it's a danger sign actually.
So that is the reason we should follow these instructions. The each and every instruction is like for to understand the user properly. So that is the reason we should give proper colors. And you have another option here. You can see here. So this is a basic view. If I use style here, different background, you have one border and one are mores. So if I apply this one, what happened? You can see this one as well. Like you can see, this is also one method. And you can see this is a border style. If I apply this one, how it looks, borders. So these are the different styles we have in the conditional formatting. So you can see here, do not show safety stock exception count. We have completed this one. So everything we have completed. Combination chart is the pending here. Combination chart using the inventory ordering module is the pending one. We should use the chart for the UX saved view. Already we have which one we have created. Otherwise, create custom view within the UX page to show the same information. So first of all, publish this one. Just have published this one. So they didn't given anything. So are they giving time in UX pages or not? We should check here. So we have time and these products both are there. So that is the reason we should show time and this P3 SKU should show. On the base of this charts only, this diagram only, we should understand what are the things we should select and what are the things we should give. These things are we should understand. So here you can see this one. So you can see here. So basically whenever if you select this one, you can see here 3 months you should see. You can see here week 1 3 up to March you should see. If I select, deselect this one, deselect this one, if I refresh, I should watch only one month. How it is happening? Yes,
Because I'm selecting the months,
by
only
selecting
showing
these
one.
months, how can I achieving this one? By selecting this one, I could watch this one. But how this UX page depends upon this one? Which logic we have created? Did you get this one? Yes. Why this saved view is depends upon this one? Did you remember what I have done while creating this custom view? What filter I have created? Yes. What filter I have created while using this one?
Using only months.
Months, that is fine. The system, we have applied planning period filter. Did you remember or not? Just now I have
Yes,
applied.
yes.
So that is the reason I applied this planning period line item for this grid view while using the system creating this UX page. That is the reason I could get this like functionality. So this is known as a dynamic filters. What is dynamic filter means? On the base of requirement we can do. You can see here dynamic charts for the UX pages. These are the dynamic charts. What dynamic charts means? On the base of requirement we can apply, we can select few months and we can view the data. Filter basing practices, you can see. So these are the things we have here. Dynamic charts nothing but this only. So dynamic means it is like we can, on the base of requirement we can select and we can watch. It is not fixed charts. Is it clear? Advantages of UX pages, you can explain this one as well. Dynamic UX page. And final one, you have one another functionality, you need to get this one. Chart card you should take here.
Ashif bhai,
Yes.
Ashif bhai,
Yes.
how we are influencing by using that planning period filter with the second one, Ashif bhai? Have you taken that line item in that
Filter.
grid?
In this grid I have taken filter by using the creating this saved view, custom view. In UX pages I have applied filter files. I have filter of this line item. So that is the reason it is affecting here. Whenever I am
Can you show
creating,
it?
yes, whenever I
Can
am
you show it once?
that view, we can't show that in custom view here. Okay, we can't show here. This is not saved view. So this is a custom view, na? So that is the reason if I go here, you can, just now I have created na files. Custom view, you can see here in filters we have used it here. In this filter we have applied that one. So this planning period filter you can see here. This one we have taken.
Okay.
So by applying
Okay.
this one, on the base of that selection only we can achieve, we could achieve this functionality. So this is the thing we have done. And next thing you can see here, we need to add the another chart card here. Final one, final activity. You can see here. So on the base of this one you can see final activity, like what are the things we should take here. Either you can data source, which one we should take for to achieve final card.
Line card.
Chart card I have taken, so that is fine. You can see combination chart using the inventory ordering module. Chart for the UX saved view, create our custom view. So whatever the thing we want to do, already we have created saved view. So chart UX whatever we have created, so that one we can use here simply. So otherwise if you want to create a custom view, you can create same thing. You can see here. So already I have created that one. So if I want to use that one, you can see chart UX. Simply if I use, nothing I need to do any changes. Same thing if I want to do in UX pages, in custom view, I can do this. I need to show these 4 line items and everything. I need to do pivot, and on the base of requirement, I need to do each and everything this one. So in custom, if I want to do same thing, I can do. So if what are the line items I want to show here? First of all, what are the line items I want to show? Line items, beginning inventory, forecast demand, and safety stock target. And which line item we should show? You can see here, beginning inventory, ending inventory, forecast demand, safety stock level. Ending inventory line item also we should take here. Ending inventory. So this 4 line item we should show. Yes, I could show here. And what is the filter I should apply? What filter should I apply here? which filter we have applied here? Simply we should get the weeks only. So system 01 weeks only we should apply. You can see here system 01, which filter we have applied earlier?
Uh,
Planning period weeks. Simply we don't want that January month and everything. If I apply this one, I could see only weeks. That's it. I could apply this one. I can apply this one. Simply I could achieve this one. So what are the other things we have to do? 4 line items they have given. So like safety stock levels, forecast demand, beginning inventory and ending inventory. So nothing is there. We need to apply this one combination chart using we need to apply the combination chart here. Chart for the UX saved view, combination chart. Try to use combination chart here. Chart type is a combination. Yes, we have selected combination. So you can publish here. So publish here. So simply you can get this functionality as well. So this is the way how we need to do, like this on the base of this diagrams charts we should prepare the each and everything. This one. So what are the first diagram they have first in on the base of these designs. So we need to first create this module, this functionality and this grid, and then final this chart we need to create. So on the base of this different diagrams we need to create. So by watching each and every step we could complete all these things. So finally we have got this one. So is this correct, whatever we have done? Yes. Did we get each and every functionality or not on the base of their designs? Yes.
yes, sir.
So these are the 3 activities, like 3 diagrams we have completed. So next we have next another user story we have completed here. So we need to complete like tomorrow onwards, like other user story we have. So these are the small activities, not a big activities. So like simple activities we have, like some create country summary module and UX page, and these are the only 3 to 4 activities we have. So if you complete 3 to 4 activities we can close this sprint 3 as well. So within 2 to 3 days we can complete this one. So then our focus should be complete all these activities and we should prepare for the interviews. So like different functionalities and each and everything. So we should go through all those things and try to prepare for the interview. So try to focus on how each and every functionality is working. So we should.
Asif bhai,
Yes.
One doubt, Asif bhai.
Tell me.
In data 03, Asif bhai.
Okay.